Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to deposit money into Trust wallet. So how you can deposit money in your Trust wallet. Watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Trust wallet mobile application and you have to create a wallet in it. If you have already, just ignore these steps. Okay, once you are logged into your account, here you will see receive account option. Just click on it, and after that you have to select the currency you want to deposit. So let's suppose I want to deposit Bitcoin. So simply click on it, and right here you have to copy the address, and from the you have to give this address on some exchange or someone to whom you want to deposit money in your Trust wallet. So just you have to click on this receive button, and you have to copy this address, and you can easily deposit money into your Trust wallet. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.